Hi, welcome to my channel. This video is about 3 hair product hacks. Please stick around to the end. Bye.
The products are not supposed to last forever. One hack is to place a masking tape on the bottle or the container of your hair product and write the expiry date or the first day you started using it. Because sometimes the expiry date actually wipes off and it's not best to use a hair product when it has passed its expiry date. And then sometimes the hair products will not have an expiry date, but what is written there is that it should be used within 12 months. I'm going to show you a picture on what that means. So in that case, you just write the first day you open it, and then you know that within a year you should actually finish it up or you end up discarding it. That actually follow it. I'm not sure, but I need to tell you what is right. Another hack is that sometimes our hair product bottles actually spoil before we exhaust the contents of the hair products. Like in this case, this nozzle came off and the tube connected to it also dislodged. And then what I had to do was that I transferred the contents of this because it's actually a spray. Instead of maybe buying a spray bottle, which you can actually buy a spray bottle, you can just don't discard your body spray that comes in this kind of container. Like, see. So what you can just do is that you can just transfer the content of the product into another container like this at no cost. And also another thing is that do not discard your empty product containers immediately. For example, I have used this and it got exhausted and then I bought another one. Unfortunately, like the first day I used it, it fell off from the shelf and then it broke. So what I can actually do is that I can transfer the contents of the products from here into this container and then it's as good as new.
If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.